quo am Verunjaichen. Citation mark, citation stinking. I'm listening to Pink Floyd right now on the bone. Us and Them. These are two portobello mushrooms I just harvested. Underside of the first one. And this is a full uncut, basically uprooted. A lot of the fungi toxin in there. I take the knife and clear out, find out where the base of it is, and then cut from there. I've had this extended portion before, well cooked. You can see the fog burning off behind me, and other than that, I just want to tell FU, CIA, UMFs, you know, AH is all the way around. You know, the fact I can't go down to my antitrust grocery outlet, canned foods, and you know, I don't know, maybe I should go down to Chez Panisse and try to sell it off. I'm already short though, selling it off.